So today we're going to be showing y'all how to separate the canister from the base of a flush valve for a two-piece toilet. Now, this will come in handy if, say, the flush valve seal is bad and that seal is not offered separately, and you don't want to separate the tank from the bowl and replace the complete flush valve. Now, first things we want to find when separating the canister is these plastic clips. On this flush valve, you'll have two of them. There'll be one here and one right across from it. Now when we separate it, we want that clip to line up right here with this little peg. When that lines up, you'll see it already kind of pops up. Then you'll just lift it and that'll separate. Then once that's separated, you can just do the same thing with the one that's in the toilet, separate that canister, and then that canister will plug into the existing base and it'll go on the same way it came off. Just want to put it right here in the center. Make sure that those clips are lining up with the ridges around the top of the base. Just press down, make sure both sides snap into place, and it's ready to go. And once again, that is how to remove the canister from the base of a dual flush valve for a two-piece toilet.